Gold yesterday created a bearish candle where the price has, which means the gold has lost its value against US dollar, and we can see that the price has formed a bearish breakout below 3272.61 as support level. We can see that here on the daily time frame. The price has reached 3200.53 as support level, a daily support level which was mentioned yesterday. What we can see, the price has gone outside of this uptrend channel, which means also the price has formed a bearish breakout below this confluence of support, which is a very important information because the bears are much stronger than the bulls are currently at this price level. What we can see, the price also formed a strong retrace from this area of support, because we can see on the daily time frame a large wick on the lower side, and we can see the price is currently trying to move higher to the next resistance level, which is the first one, 3272.61. Let's see on the lower time frames what has happened yesterday. Yesterday, the price has formed this bearish breakout. We can see that at the start of the day. We can see the price stop at the support level, and if you have watched yesterday analysis, you will see that the analysis was around this area of support. And if the price makes a bearish breakout below this area of support, it will target this daily support, which has just happened. We can see that here. This will be especially visible on the 1 hour time frame. So yesterday I was creating this analysis around this area when the price has touched this area support level, and after that the price has formed this bearish breakout below this area of support, and it has gone all the way to the next support level here around 3212.75. After that the price returned back up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance. We can see the price formed a bearish pin bar, and after that the price has gone again, touching the first support level here around 3219, and then formed a strong bearish breakout below that. After that the price has formed the strong bullish engulfing candle here, right here at the daily support level, suggesting further rise in value, because this was a strong retrace that we have seen on the daily time frame, a large wick on the lower side. This was the candle, and then the price has continued to rise in value. The price tried to move further down, but we can see this area where it is 3200.53 support level is a strong area of a buying zone, which means it is demand zone where the buys are currently located. The traders that have pushed the price down from here, they have locked their profits around this area of support, and this is also a trigger to move to the higher price levels. This is a bullish breakout that has been formed here on the 1 hour time frame, 3219.75, targeting the next resistance level. This was shared with the traders inside the premium analysis yesterday. The link for the premium analysis is below in the description, so if you would like to receive this update, like in this example, feel free to check that link. After that, the price has gone, reaching the target I have mentioned for the traders, and then stopped here for a while. And today we have another bullish breakout, which I have already shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, targeting again the next price level, which is already reached. We can see that here. So this was also a second one, a profitable trade for the traders inside the premium analysis. Now the price has come very close to this area of resistance, coming also very close to this area of resistance as a trend line, which will be a confluence of resistance for the price. Now what we can see on the higher time frame, the price will try to move here, 3272.61. so this is the price level I am expecting that the price will try to reach. But first of all, the price will have a problem because of this trend line acting as a resistance. So there will be a possibility that the price could reach this area around this one, which is the lower price level. We can see that here. It is 3266.21, 3266, so let's round this number, where the price could reach and then bounce back down if there is enough strength from the bears. Now what we can see here on the 1 hour time frame, we can see the price is moving down. Now it is currently returning back up. Will that be continuation of the bearish? We'll see what happens around this area. If the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, it will be a return back inside this small range area around up to 3320. So this is something that we need to watch what happens here. We are following the market. I'm not chasing the market because I'm waiting for the price to make a breakout, and then I follow the enter. I follow the market, like in this example. The price has formed a bullish breakout. I follow the market, it reaches the target. In this case, the similar scenario. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, how this looks, the price is currently forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which means continuing to rise in value. And we can see it is a pretty strong confluence of resistance here around 3272.61. So this is the area where I'm expecting the price will reach, and then we'll see what happens. Will the price bounce from this area of resistance, which usually happens when the price reaches at the daily support or the resistance level. If we go to the daily time frame, if we can see what happens when the price reaches this area of support, the price bounces. In this case, when the price was reaching as a resistance, the price has formed a strong bullish candle, but this was inside a bullish momentum, inside the bullish uptrend. So this is something that currently it is not scenario, because we are currently in the bearish scenario, which means there is much more bearish strength than it is currently bullish strength. But this could also shift if there is a shift in the market. One thing to remember, that today is also Friday. Friday is the end of the week when the traders get out from their profits. So this could be also a trigger somehow, because the price could reach this area of resistance and then return back down, pushing the price again to the lower price levels, which means around this area of support. But we will see, because of the Friday, what happens in the second part of the day will be very important. So I'm curious, and also I'm cautious in the second part of the day. In the afternoon, I tend to get out from the markets and leave it as it is, because sometimes the market do not follow the technical analysis and also the signals I see on the market. So it is better to wait until the next week starts to be clean and fresh, and also when the price will follow these price levels. For now, I'm expecting the price to reach this area of resistance for today, and then we'll see what happens around this area of resistance. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.